What if you could make money from your phone simply by recording your voice for a few minutes? There is a platform called Pillar 8 where contributors record short audio clips, conversations, or responses that helps AI systems learn how real people speak. And the interesting part, some of their current audio projects advertise estimated rates of $10 to $50 per hour. Can you imagine that? If you're a complete beginner looking for a simple remote income opportunity, stay until the end because I'll show you how this works and the mistakes that can get your recordings rejected. This site is not asking you to build an AI model or have a technical degree. You mainly need clear spoken English, a phone or a computer with a microphone, a quiet place to record, and the ability to follow instructions carefully. That's all you need. And I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. So, guys, let's get started. All right, so when you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you to this interface, okay, where you will sign up. That's the first thing you have to do. To sign up, you need a Google account or an email to sign up. So I will tap on sign in with Google, okay? So this is an AI platform where you just record, okay, to train AI and you get paid in dollars to perform this task, okay? All right, so I'm going to sign in using any of my Google accounts. So I'm going to tap continue. So after you have signed up, this is going to take you to this interface where you put in your personal details, your occupation, how you found about them and all that. If there is any referral code, since you're going to sign up using my link, you can as well, you don't need this referral code, okay? So all you have to do is to type in your name. For example, I'm going to type in my name. I'm going to select my gender. I am taking you step by step on this process so that you follow it, okay? So my ethnicity, Black or African American. So month of, I'm going to choose any random months and date of birth, okay? So I'm choosing any random date or month of birth. So occupation, let me see, data analyst. Okay, how you found about us. It could be any social media handle, anything you see, or you can just pick on any of them. Let me just go for family or friends. Then if you have any referral code, you put it there. If you don't have any referral code, as you can see, it's very optional. Then you click on continue. Okay, here the next option is location, country or region. Okay, so for my country of residence, I'm going to choose Nigeria. Okay, region state/region, I'm going to go for Rivers. You can put it any state or region you have. Okay, they now said set payment setup. Your countries determines the government ID you will use for identity verification. So okay, so you should have a valid ID. Okay, this is just the important information they are giving out to us here. So once you do that, you click on I understand that I must verify with an ID issued by Nigeria. So you click on continue. Okay, so the next option here is language and accent. Okay, your native language, tell us about the language you speak most fluently and where your accent is from. Okay, so you have to select language. So mine is English, proficiency, fluent. What best describes your accent? Nigerian, because I am a Nigerian. Okay, which country best matches your accent? You can still choose on Nigeria. Okay, so you don't have to start coming here to lie. Okay, where were you born in? You can choose yes, like where were you born in and have you lived in above your whole life? Yes. Then your city. Okay, so what best describe your accent? I just typed in Nigerian. Then which country best matches your accent? Nigerian. Were you born in and have you lived in Nigeria your whole life? Then yes. Then which city? You type in your city. Highest education in English. You put in your highest education, okay, bachelor's degree. Then other languages you speak, if there is any other languages you speak fluently, you can input it there. Okay, so after you have put in all this, your personal details, your language and accents, your location, then you have to confirm and agree to their terms and conditions and then submit your application. So this is the part where you have to complete this short audio challenge to finish your application and start recording paid tasks. Okay, so this is the first task you have to do. Okay, just trying to confirm if you will be able to perform the task and all that. So this very one they are giving you is not a paid task. They are telling you to finish this challenge so that you can start recording your paid task. Okay, so just click on start recording. So they say pillar8.com wants to use your microphone. Okay, so you are just going to click on allow while visiting the site. Okay, so as you can see, they've just given us our first task. Okay, so once you want to start recording your task, as you can see, you have 20 attempts to try out this task. Okay, you have 20 attempts. So the guide I have for beginners, you have to use your Nigerian accent, whichever accent you can fluently speak in. Okay, because you're actually training an AI system, so they want to use your accent, they want that clarity. Okay, so just try to read as fluently as you can using the accents you gave them. Okay, because they've taken your information and you don't want to put a different thing there and start coming to form a different thing here. So just read fluently. Okay guys, so to start your recording, all you have to do is to click to record. If you have any question about your prescription, you can reach out to us at our office. Just call 408-555-0116. If you need to email us, send a message to health.info@example.org. For those curious about a medical topic, the word embolism is spelled EMBOLISM. Remember, it's always important to verify your medical information with a trusted healthcare professional and keep this contact information handy in case you need to reach out. So guys, I am done with the recording. So you can play recording if you want to listen to your recording. Okay, so I will just click on I listen back and confirm the reading is clear. Okay, if you have any question about your prescription, so let me click on confirm. So as you can see, our recording is they are uploading it into their system. So they said keep the page open while we upload your takes. Okay, so they are going to review it, so let's just hold on till they review my audio, and if they review it, then we move to the next stage. Well guys, so as you can see, audition passed. With this structure, you the way just master the way I read during the audition, like the way I read the audio. That is as simple as that. Okay, audition passed, audio access is unlocked, your first recording quest is ready. So all you have to do now is to click on professional workflow quest. Okay, get 5 approved recording in the next 7 days, earn 50 bonus credits and all that. Okay, so just click on continue. So here is the interface, and as you can see, we are on the application wait listed. So you have to wait for them to approve your application, and you also get an email from them that you are on the wait list. So once you get approved, you will start getting tasks. And guys, that is where the money start coming in. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please give this video a like and drop a comment, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye for now.